Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
So my beautiful people, I'm back. You see, anything you are doing, you do it good. So when I was walking, it was last week, I have a little injury in my work. I just gonna take this and protect the gel. It's for if you have injury, because I don't take ibuprofen. So sometimes when some people take some medication like ibuprofen, if I take it, I have pain in my stomach. So I don't normally take ibuprofen. I only take dafaga. Or this is the cream, the gel. So I have to go and take it. So the receipt, I'm not going to my office. As a responsible worker, if you are working in abroad, this cream is €16. I pay now with my money, but the receipt, I am taking it to my office. They will give it to the insurance. You will pay for it. But as a worker, you criminal, you pay your receipt. You pay your. Understand? You not stay your 1 week or 2 days or 3 weeks bill. Insurance pay your. You go no maybe when all right, my people, because some people they live for this abroad. Only way till they know now to talk for live video, to talk about live video. Okay, they don't want. When you learn, good morning, my love. Make them learn by their business. Good morning, guys. So you know what happened yesterday? Most time they talk and say all those callers, they don't get happiness. Just imagine that boy with there now. He not get wife. Maybe he not get documents. If you carry one room for somebody's hand, you will carry one room for somebody's hand. Where not get wife, you not get anybody around you. Loneliness won't kill you. You can't use your whole. Can't they use that better body? They contribute for what you don't know. Eh, mommy, Yahweh, if you ye talona fiancé, the last breath. When he me now, it's so painful where or man he pay me because he's human being. But in another side, this one will give a lesson to people where they say they get brain. In when I'm Yahweh, I am not the one to judge you. A punishment we are going to be able to post a in winner and another thing again, iyore saltandwater ministry. I don't really know who was the devil. In my only take work about this thing. I have to be sincere. You go out die slowly. Let me open and direct this message to you. Iyore, where I get me back where a man in a situation or time when go ga recoma, when go ga recoma as a leader that you call yourself. A position no keke wo saloboa carry your life in normal. But if no keke as your part is advice. Obo we advice, encouragement. That is the reason they have you as a mother to them. And the way they call you, mommy. Mommy is not only where somebody gave birth to you. You can call a little girl mommy, it doesn't matter. You can call a little girl any name, it doesn't matter. It's sign of respect. It's how you appreciate the person. But iyore, when you call when you boom, it is a depression. Ya call a live video ni buye pepe body. Ya it contributes ye live video. Iyore you talk by me now. It's a very simple answer, but we take it as where orgazono or you are the of today. Otani only know where you call when I be mara or a situation. Or a situation where a bemara where a miamwe or money distress or money distress. Okay, no calm down. Umame titi yoga rekoma. Unuoya taveno the video nu wana rekoma una leru ne. Okay. Obela jana be koma. Otafiale le live video yakian we or call le live video yakian because of mo have a boto it give you joy. Umahame we stop. uhiate wakpajore ube odemata ogwujijore wherever aga mwepo yotana wenu gwegele do vejore we erugwala or nyamona. Can you swear the Bible or whatever you believe? Listen, you want to said uwe lawyer a doctor already 6 months in Nigeria. A doctor in Salobwa. Even one who are a church uwe Christian you don't even believe of what you serve. Mana nije church na ni mayebe tabwe pegama hijori. We still believe in our creator. Who is our creator? The God Almighty. The I am that I am. All right? Did you know where I know someone here in Belgium? It's your man, it's 70 something years plus now. I know this Belgium man since 2013. It's like a father, it's a friend. It's like a father, it's like a father to me. I usually go and help him. He will pay me. He assists a lot of black people. And 2013, it's the one that developed leukemia cancer, which is blood cancer. It's the one that me since 2013. 2013, a doctor have me. It's the one with 3 years of here for my people. Did you know where since 2013 now? It's the one you it's the one you ragbo. Or even last year, it's the one that developed prostate cancer. It's the one that heart problem. Invalid, no, or here no wine, or me leukemia, or now we have a prostate cancer. Or you leave. Or a doctor are treating when we place in where they are doing their best. Or both are by doctor when they are doing their best because no, they are not gods. Iyore, we are already 6 months in there. A choir master, all like choir master when we no hear me up, no hear you, no judge that dog ya fefe. Or say Agbona, don't judge anybody so that God will not judge you wrong as well. Una la live video what telling no matter way. What a color is going to be? What we go another one? What we are not expecting the people or when is the Jami who na when they say you might at least Osaloba the reason Osaloba and wages according to your statement. What mama responsible manaro Osaloba not keep him when he marry. But give my image your body magic. Omano Humi, Ijori as a role model who must set it. Kwaya mass enemy we look at my work or teme. Ono na my can wake out again. You need rest. You need the rest. A daughter me manipulate and a daughter time I 2 years, 3 years, 6 months. It was a lot with me on you. Oh, with me on you in the dark morning. A daughter I can't have me a Joanna Metana. Or walk manager what with over a very agony. If you have a daughter have a bit of one Metana. They go say don't die because they don't already tell and say you go don't die. 3 years ago, of when I walk out, since 2013 to this time, it's the one you live. It's the one that we test. It's the one that we test. But some cancer, I may be blood there. Ukunia na zeto moto ne the one wa we zeto. Di ya wu ni egu. Here na you want to test the one. And that medication, a new medication from America, out of a man ya fe no test a man I know ba one who ka dey active be. A man I oh you raw, oh you strong. If you have a good heart, a doctor is your boyange, they are trying because scientists they are just doing their job. But Saloba no jori on on our my said, you just see, instead of you to be ashamed of yourself that your neighbor want to disgrace himself, or everybody can die. I can die today. It's no problem. It's normal. Only see or damn where it's human. Because so when my area, my hand not deny. You must tell what he told me. That is the way of funny. And nobody can question God. It's painful woman. But if you're able no wrong, how can you who are calling a platform who are near and near and our bona fiancé a liver where he have or he fail for pata a liver where he off on our half winere on our half winere on our half winere or Saloba Gimakan to winere a nano but a winner as a bottle a Monica. O mama go pa do wa ya tawo bi o kan ni igo bi yen no be platform e fe e bi no ta na ke na we o ma do wa wo kin e ri yen mo se a because e ma be bi no bi o kan ya kin o je bi na ni to na wo ke deri ogi no yen ari mo ni kare we ni ya we test we no da fo ya we test do gi fail ri o akedo tin ogi ni e wa ri ni ya we test ko ni e ma lo bi e ke Over ye claim over ye talk, you have a color on Betsy. Iyore, you know that this man, a choir master, when on the who by Iyore. I want to propagate here where a member or Betsy Lele Yahana. Iyore, again, Obi Paizo Badana. You were rejoicing over it. Ube Paizo Bada. Upon a year and well, we live video, you do way at a live video. What are we Baba walk bedo? What are we are not live video not Iyore? You are still claiming we no sent a wookie. A dog like a boy. Who you made the hatred to get directing at we quick. Even where Uja work was your way, over ye made that ye your way. I go where quick buy. Am I one on Amazon de beg ye no soon usually. But I may go on me matter why me ho what your why. Why you tell you insist innocent charge Jori? Is your number me no way innocent charge you is what them matter or would they will no good or them matter the honey. They will know where you do that way life video. Bugata we Baba walk bedo, enemy. Now more where I have every Yanuga Ganyaji is still to today. Ever I got the video limited. How you mean a platform where now where to go where away. But you see the claim say they use a hatred take carry you just swear for you. So you see the claim today. Would you claim eh? I'm a when I will must say. Oviso Bada women is over Bada we will also die. Innocent charge. Una rejoice by. But Ogi so when I do want to pet a blue and brown my man. They may buy wherever was near which you never walk mad which you never. They kid here walk by Major Mammy Yahweh feel salo when you go to why. Yeah? Oh, salo bois. Even not see a body in Nigeria. And meanwhile, the social media what they can handle with PC yo. While I am well at social media with PC Johnny. Or one or Kako in Nigeria. No, I'm back. I'm able to city John away matana. Wa get dojo. Wa ma get dojo. Wa na we pay amount matter. Yes. Wa ye emphasize ye matana. Wa ma say. Wa you know na de wa gbe ba ne matter. No de ne matter. Agbe ma ba no de ade. Ume wa gbe ma veje po ipa na. The same matter ne. Ume wo vege ni. Uga ke live video. The man no de ke we video me man. We know the one na sunu ne ke we video me. Ume wa brother ume wa congratulations to you. Good promotion. Congratulations. Congratulations once again. Congratulations. At least the man they call you a platform when you but then they condemn him and they condemn me. At least all be reducing or be reduced. It's painful or dim I know, but at least I got to agree, man. Can you just imagine one what a lot what a lot you win every one what a lot you win every Let's stand for you. Because I couldn't call them. Oh, not a lot, you win. Oh, not a lot, you win it. Yeah? You win it or talogy. Okay, Mado. Back in your nonani. Or it's over when you're open. The truth of the matter, I don't tell I am not saying this thing in a personal way. It's at the time. If you know soon, I just watch your video, don't analyze it. I was really thinking we're talking about advice Malika where Walawu, if you remember, let's be careful. What is bad, you know. Okay, what is bad. I was really thinking where looking at Yahweh. Am I again in another way round? Who are daughter with a month at time or who say it's a good news? Or when a daughter come my way or who says more time. Is your name do ya come when I ate your man? No me double cancer or you leave it today. Okay, a doctor in Salobua. Our God is Salobua no nyama no yoto no yuhu. In real life in Emma, you tell any machine here. Or one rock by meeting it by Monana. Okay. When give me power no. Umabe tie lawa. Look at my brother, what you are doing. What is bad is bad. What you are doing is not good. No matter what you are doing is not good. Stop. Take care of yourself. It's very important. Salobano love. When you manage to go put a bar, you come here talk about offer. You must say no advice. No about it. While the life is job and we near it. On a ruby pool when it's the Yavi Kona. I'm here with faith to okay. Eru wala nona etiepo eno bi o kan pere eru wo etiepo e kan ogbuwa ebi na ki apa on pa More of your can because of mamma me no one na mugu or maybe no one I a thread of his head about get a look at your facility. But yet that's all. It's only every young girl in as you know a matter of that dog. Eh? Who will see the so we also what goes round course rounds. Also we if you got sick we will paint say good morning my darling. We'll paint say blue and brown. We can't do time a man and wait who say we good news, you know. Eh? He make it to time when I do we may man. To salopwa tawe yes or go be giving your mama. I told you I mean life. Because to salopwa or Mario boy me no man bad. You understand? But to ma believe in Luka. You understand me? Ogele son me ya given me nana ya mu yet the aga ni total because if you are here nana if normal day important if jagba just scared. Hey no. If you can't tell me ba. Where okay, majori. If I am master who went or yemi or all like I am master who muki and jori. They see bad one jajori. May I your receipt? In a training at 9 o'clock. A yalla because the training was 2 hours training. You know. A jori mena sanzeya. Igi sanzai. Ina hewe. Ina gwalo. Nene kwa ya master who we. Ni winere beba gmobe no beina. No na mu here nya ho ekwaya master o ma bege ege bible bi egele ekwaya master o like ekwaya master ne gbe ma ho no re mi oji ho ijore uga efiti oni wu no wa ka ma wese I ari aga tota ye igbe ekwaya master egbe no ye yara ewe eyimi iga igbe ne igbe to gwe bai because what is bad who tell me you are too fake for my liking e ma ta pariwo hu ekwaya master ma bege we only book Bible our holy book ni mamukia o ma bege gidi an yesigi ruwe o ma bege gidi an yesigi eruwe Bible o ide ti we debwe e mo mi ya ojin ya we ni ati we no be ka ma we ha ijin ya e Bible na no mukia na ije ka gita e di an yesigi e bo no e mo ta no ka we kyo ba joro ma ege bo oruwe na vi o ya we bo uma ega ya afio yo umai iga ya afio yo oma eti wete no temata no roma we ona menu ndo ya haga me ya we fe igo to oge le nugwe ni jinya na wa to oge ife ki maya redia ni yesege die ba mota no rawe ki oba plus e yakugbe oma bege no do ya toni ma we ewiji ma we be wona gbo iji ma ife ki na kina Oma bege no yakama we. Oma bege inwinere na mwe. Inwinere ona mwe. Oma bege no yakama we. You see? Beru wa ya we hu. Oma no we o loko. Oma no we o e loko. E meba wo pajoro re musia. O wa meme oku no. Oku he no. O memere re magba. Ero bi na lefe bo wa. Erobie ona lefe wa be kama me go geta ni ade de doso ni awoda fon ido tai e meba we no ori efo a ye de magba obo kan na lefe bo wa gbe eri eti e ga ne gbe na ran we go no ga akwa ogbe ministry wo bo oba lo ji ogbe no bu wa ade sisi egi nwina ye seti nwina na ye akoke no bu wa ade no we no bu wa ade no ari ra ni Utebe ufege ma ya fefe wo ya love mo gboto aga guwe ko hiaka what the jealousy me the jealousy me aga ma no jealous we me agwa guwe ina ga ya lege bu kome okwo na we the jealousy na debi ni ya jealous okwo na bana do ma ne re ma gba no jealous okwo na ane me no jealous okwo na na ha no do ma no le ho problem no jealous okwo na ni ane gbese question me no ta ibe no wa ga ni me na won ane mo bo keje ebi no wa kin e no Wago see ni na fear be the only way the way ni yari say wage di mani keji because me the meje me say ti jealous of oni we me you me ti jealous because Obama gbe me number 1 Obama gbe me number 2 we me yalo salopa ya bless okun ori me e bo ya ti wa ro iko se no sabana ju bono bege all hand is not equal ono na ni ona ye kere ono na bege no recent attense ono na bi tanso ono na kere ono na bi tanso ono na kere se obo ya pa ma ya fefe ma eti an iko equal this thing. Mighty are they equal. Even where majority mess or Tiaro, you may be a little way near Jeven usually, God forbid. He met a little when I say, the man little in Ajeven of Vigimeje, I'm out to me a little in Ajeven of Weshi, God forbid bad sin. I rebuke it, I reject him in Jesus' name. Because if I got log and I get Jesus he exists. Oh no, me are Jesus if you know. Jesus come and help me. Don't let me jealous any human be like me for what? The reason I just say you saloba ya joma be weapon o saloba ya blessing. You can't go to jealousy weba. I atama with the fact of the truth. I atama with the fact you will not claim where that the jealousy me, that the jealousy me. I know they want me to hear all those things. This thing we are just telling you now the facts. They quite all like what master when not hear me on jiho. Or yet time we there where ije. A Bible ni Martin Garita when you cow. A motor no cow at your ebono or yet you were there not tamau. On a gilia true teller. Or yet time we do well do I emphasize. Do I any cow with Johnny Jessica? The memory Bible like this one only every day. After I go we have a repent. The mason I found me at here degbe or it is 2 years at here for. Na beg a Canadian Jessica, not beg away. Error. A motor no cow at your back. Avie Mijeva. Agbakigo river or Risotoreva, a bono. It has nothing to do with anything inside the Bible. And another thing, I know what that's about. Who work by your master, them at a video where you're tired. A video no YouTube, you're time, Yana Hazena, coffee where we are going to feel work back one. Who are going over your Romana Mola here. A problem, but to not go on a more media. And I beg, if I never know, I think I will do one kind. Is your me, I know what's about. Did you know whereby by law of a Christian way, before you ordain anybody as a pastor or a deaconess or a pastor or a evangelist, that person must be a married woman. I can't ordain anybody because I'm the bureau. Ni me. Or tiro we me ake mo deacon in the church. Iye na we no da fun ya mu hojo. Easy and I would way. I wear burial. Iye na kwe marriage na wu. On way because I will not have a card of Mugoji, because a church or you, I can't ordain as a deacon. Don't you know, iyore? Umay get on a quadron like quad master when I know Nemere Bena or it's where they don't come away with Jima. Give no canoe, give no canoe. Oh, no, me giving no Ruba, but why CIA? Why CIA? Why emphasize the winner away? Women not to tell it, but what them matter of which is just look at what you are saying with your mouth. Because of hatred. It's a pity, okay, that never anymore no believe what we media. I am telling you this with a video no way I am not talking out of hatred because women are hating way. Women are hating way. Also, you are not my friend. You are not my enemy, you are not my friend. I have nothing to do with you. As far as concerned, anybody no feedback you don't. Or can go around with your motor where dojo. It's why yo more time. Anybody no I don't have anything to do with that person. More time, Jory. If you wait, Tanoko San, I'm give me a boy. Or have you going to go to Salobo Gaswame? I don't even boy when I are claiming getting up Jory. You will rejoice when I call over and we in Nigeria where Okpabu way or the ever woman of Wakwana. You will rejoicing. And a woman, you call yourself a woman who will be more prominent. Or call my beer and I should only marry my walking up beer. Umay beer and Maria walking up beer. You was really rejoicing about the death of the innocent child of a man. Bonami, no matter anything, or a barrier because you get that dog very big. Benogwana, my phone, baby, with that dog. I will never wish to be like anybody. I go my here to so, my sister, don't do that again next time. If you are talking sometimes, I just push you. We just push you. I can what bien so hard to Google. They don't know why you have anything on a problem. But we are better matter when I watch the ass. You may do an Lazema when I even if you do a Lazima when I because I'm a group who might have way number one. A choir master, yes, okay, on a choir master, okay, on then on my pastor or evangelist or a deaconess. You need to be a married woman, confirm. I'm a Kamago, do you say, girl, the me money bune, no way, number one. All like choir master will matter my way. It's already you know true where of your honey, a of your large, you know true where a matter not see a baby or cone. Una ye insist you go them out of which a video no ta what was always say good news. And now you tell my we doctor highway 6 months of yan. You get calling or call your by jury. A man the put on a doctor time will be 3 months time or will be 6 months time or one. But they will try to make peace with everybody. They take kwayama all like kwayama way. Or you go with hatred. In winner or you go with bitterness. The only thing not damage is human being. Or no go every day or damage. Only what damage. But no na wuji winner my sister. It's a shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace. In winner ona wa fiancé won. A kidney na wa ona wa dojo. Ona wa lost ekere no work wekere ogike. Ekere no gike the kidney. Ona wa lost stage matter. O ma be we kidney ni no gike ni. Ni e ya mu oku odise mo ko boba be nu kai. Do pugbi aga no dem gefe di no wa ya mu oku. Na me wo wa vandalize oku ni. Na me ege no kia na wa tu orgasm. E wa na wa wu. No salo ba me na ka we yes. We enjoy it to the last time. To the dark points. O ma be woni ona wasun aje bote mata le monica ro mata erugbala e bo ya e obi obukani e bo ya ge owo no o be gbe se pe Mr. Ajepo. That is the end. Iwinere they made me gbe yan na dede anybody no get agbona na enwa we na no da ogokuta pa fun ye dopa over. I am still saying it. I'm not rejoicing because of who no. You also not your in. But what I'm trying to tell you is that it's so shameful. We will never or not here but a Christian. It's just when you call yourself a Christian, do you know what is Christianity? Does that mean we might not a Christian? Does that mean we might not a Christian? Maybe not all those are why. Yeah? Does that mean maybe not a Christian? It's a pity. Talk about that, man. Talk about that, man. Damn. Do you understand? Who have as a real Christian at all? You don't have as a real Christian. Who has when I'm a very Christian? Okay, every Christian cannot or at time. Never happened before my day. Every Christian, you go just stand, you go they judge people will not judge you. Matter where you are, no reason. You not did there where the something happen. You just did there. Osalopo beg we bad color working. Oh, I'm with from it of a problem. I said it yesterday. Even when I did my video last night. I never even know say that this 30 don't happen. I don't know. When me they do my video, I not just know me, I just they do my video, they go. I tell from Victor say if problem happen, those callers they not go come because those callers they are sick already. Imagine you know when you have a kidney problem, you have a BP as well. Because most times your BP can lead you to kidney problem. Alright? Your BP can lead you to kidney problem, can lead you to organ, it can destroy your organ. Okay, you never think of that. Of course, you have a depression. So you have a depression. No, I'll soon come down. Do you understand? I'll soon come down. Umawe na do miewe he okeke ni dole mi ya fefeji I came here said no salobo akai came here sit down for you because I don't want me to talk for people here. Okay, hello. You never think of that. In life you need to mind your business. Just imagine. Can you just imagine? But maybe you know not the jury. No coconoro, a platform where man now. A platform when you only at your sugar neighbor or you know an eze. RTA or sugar neighbor. While I don't tell my jealousy, okay, where are you? Okay, where are you? Yeah, imagine where you. Yeah, jealousy where die. We go contact this one, say no, stop. A matter not settled and anyone is settled in there. Why more home? But we emphasize the issue not good at it. Issue why I got good at it. Issue not good at it. Winner, you are still emphasizing on it. Try to claim when I saw this man talk. The thing with this man not talk. Peace. Because that man, you guys are lying on him daily basis. Sunni is words on another social media. Yeah? You guys bully him, bully his daughter, bully his wife. In the entire family, where you bully her to the extent where he pack back, but no, I'm not strong, you know. We're not sick here, I enjoy it. I'm here with Bozego, we carry bay because we know our father. A matter not here, but you know, why we boy, and even a boy, the Christian, we might believe in you. We might believe in you. And not the sick, now iyore talking. Exactly. Because I want tight. Iyore manao. Iyore go me kidney iyore go tie unwe manao. Unwe ma sand we na me go mano no. Because he talks so hefty. O mano humi no. No me mano me kidney ni. E tafi aje winere obiere. In winne gbe yo mu. He get one of my friend he so recipe he don't die. He did better year before now when he did better before na kabo now he did do. The man can't die for Spain. 2 days where the man died. No, say they don't already tell the man say he won't die. Now my brother just be like my brother. You understand? If I want to go any place now, they carry me go. That way they load more to that time. For year for Belgium, they load car, they load bus. Now it be the Tassima where they carry me, they follow everywhere they go. Good morning, my darling. Now they carry me, they go everywhere. When she can't develop without a kidney problem, he let me know. I know say they go Spain. But when this brother want die, they don't tell him say he go die. They don't already tell him say he go die. This brother, did you know what I say? This brother not tell me with a talk well. He asked of me, never the name and my sister. He went even name where baby you have a what you say. I can't ask her say what or what I just say. No what about hospital. And here we are a point of death. Even though say God they tell this man 6 months now, iyore, they can be choir master, all like choir master or iyore. Did you know iyore? Did you know what is called intensive care? Iyore, did you have any idea of intensive care? Did you have any idea of intensive? You know what is intensive care? Of a lot of me just get Dr. Tamari 6 months or as you said it to me when I have a live video. As you said it, a baby you know get to the point in it. Or home, then you will not the hospital. A boss here no video, they will still try their best and see. Area will be brother. A Kenyan admit a brother according to Maniga Arivani. Here where what you know you guys, a man more serious, a man low oxygen and all very close to mortuary side. They will just give the television, they will let them to walk around, everything. The brother he called me and I would wait him. He talked to me, you know, we just talk as normal. Sister me, I was yes, a bear Korean. Yeah, it's a man where giving a no hair one as a gay idea, but you're not to me family. What will I cause a one akaji, or not do me, or in you know, with a bear ESP, or you got ESP in your hospital in Madu, or Matamo Kamano, I would fear any joy, Bewoko, yes, hospital now, on a yard in hospital. Iyore all like your master wedding according to what you said in women now. What's an anamia Mari hospital? Anamia go to Wuji winner every live video. What a shame! What a shame and disgrace. And you will see face the camera, you want to know you are not even ashamed of yourself. Iyore egume rush la way, because you got rush la way, you will not enjoy it. Because even you tell them we know, even I have you bijo ma we uta. Who go and me maybe wage. You just they talk, say that so the way your mouth say why do they use and take the talk. You don't even know anything. And the funny part of it, you don't want to learn. You don't want to learn. Or man, my kidney now go tight. Did you know what it takes to have a kidney problem? Do you know what it takes to have a kidney problem? Do you think it will maybe easier? Oh, that time on waka. If you pack a line, you've been out in it. It's been able to bring for sure say. Salobra gave me a line, Benari fortune say. You still claiming where it did, right? Instead of you to use it to advise your members in the way no. If not so, now what give my video by every man. What give my face to reality. winner is not the only way to anything. It's not the success. Or terminal way massa. A video na ni ewuna ijori is going to be history. But we not talk. Samatin yege picture na kena. Samatin yege picture no. At the end of the day now, begge. At the end, cause you love is come mama. At the end of the day, na picture na do ladia. No, ya talk lele ya. He's a liar. He's a liar. You are lying against innocent man. You are lying against innocent child. You sometimes try to talk like a mother. In my hate you, where also you are not my friend. All right. Bye. Ijore, I don't hate you. Also, you are not my friend. You understand? Because here anybody negative or your banner, he met in the lemon. He met in the lemon. But the way you are talking, sometimes you think you are very intelligent. When we not here, say, oh my God, no bog at Danejori. ENCI, on a get a second or Jagune. ENCI no roe. ENCI, EMW at the hospital. Ebo my heartless when I give my academic bay. Did you think you get boy? He day emotion. Ebo we are going to call it in vie. Oh, meeting in vie. Ebo me had to be on in a yaka where God died for your house. When I'm not, I know that way. She felt getting enemy or many. In a walk will be 6 months time. When we got none and women now, me because all I want tight. Me. And you can my way stop your evil. And the answer when it's the Gavi Hona, when I wear Uma Bego, who be your bar. Oh, who penny gay, oh, local, no, ya fe, not ye, do state. I give me a mije, I give me a mije, is a when no more pano again. I give me a mije, I able to watch any I give me a mije. Oh, sweet mama, beggar, sweet mother, equal, a tickle, a yoji, a tickle, yoji. You neglect women. You neglect children. You neglect everybody. On a live video. Ajebo. Wawak bajebo go wanaru enwe. Ebuluku amebi no gwalobu pupe. Ebuluku. Omo no gwalobu pupe. Ajebo ro wa no de obi here. Mo hu ajebo. Ina ajebo wawu owi evie. Ina owie. Ve ma ya me we fi asen won. E ugwe na mi obi na. Ogwe obi je mo be sun na we. We pagbe. Eme we jin afi asen won. Ajebo ota de bio mo ya hu ajebo we no pagbere e mo esi ababioko ajebo fiancé won. That is the end. It's so painful, it's so disgraceful, it's so shameful. O ma ni gbe mara ni o wa do kinana wa ya fefe ni me platform ni ke platform ri telephone no ba yo caller do talk well contribute. Everybody should call, humiliate, let down wa carry on wa be boya we sota. Uwa mi boya we sota di ka we to wa mi boya we sota. Wa carry on, nothing do you. After una nothing do una. But we go see who they run now. Time goes on. Baba God not dey sleep. Baba God not dey sleep. Nobody get power. Nobody be oduga. Nobody get this life. We all come to trade. One day we will go. We will all go one day. Go and meet our ancestors. It's just a pity we how can you seize your breath with somebody's name? The person is not your brother, it's not your co-worker, it's not your business partner. My people, I don't want to join this hello sister, I don't want to join this immaterial things in our topic later in the day. They call away call for Victor who say me organs is too much for my body. Mama boy no dey receive organs. La go wa take call dey go later, not do win later. Ni jane win through organs in the